Hi guys, this is Mahbub Hassan and this is the topic today you can see on the screen. And based on this topic, I will teach you how to recover or regain your deleted Facebook page or fan page in a minute. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. So to start the tutorial, you have to log in your Facebook account after opening any browser available in your PC, and in your Facebook account you will see a little quick help option on the top, and after this quick help option there is a little menu option. Just click on it and you can see your pages, your Facebook pages you manage in your account. And I want to click on see more option to see all my pages. And let me remind you one thing before advancing the tutorial, that I showed you how to delete Facebook page or fan page in a minute in my previous tutorial, where I deleted this page. You can see this page titled K for that IT Solution Bangladesh. And I told you in that tutorial that Facebook will take 14 days to delete any Facebook page or Facebook ID permanently. So if you think you can recover your account or page before 14 days, you can easily recover it just in a minute. So anyway, as I told you, I deleted this page titled K for that IT Solution in my previous tutorial, and I made this tutorial 4 days ago. So I have still 9 days in my hand to recover this page. So right now I want to recover this page. So to recover this page, I have to click on this page. Simply just click on it, and here on the top you can see K for that IT Solution Bangladesh is scheduled to be deleted in 9 days. So I want to cancel the deletion. So to cancel the deletion, I have simply click on cancel deletion option, and after that I have to confirm it, and after that click on OK to cancel deletion of this page. And it's take a time, and your page has successfully been recovered from deletion. So simple is that. So guys, thanks to watch my tutorial with patience, and to get more IT related tutorial like this one, please subscribe in my channel and like and share this video. So thank you guys to watch this tutorial with patience. Thank you.